Hello anak, good morning. Ang tanong ko sa'yo ngayon, kumusta ka ba? Okay ba yung ating feelings dyan o sobrang negative na yung world mo? So ngayon pag-uusapan natin at i-share ko sa inyo ang how to use the power of your subconscious mind for wealth. Kasi marami mga factors bakit hindi daw tayo yumayaman. At the number one reason for that is you don't know how to use your subconscious mind. So if you're going to observe yung mga post ko, no, it's all about affirmations and the power of your subconscious mind. Ito nga, binabasa ko siya. Meron din palang tinatawag na how to block your wealth or why do other people cannot really get the results that they wanted. Alam mo ba na kapag mas naiinggit ka dun sa mga taong mas nakakalamang sa'yo, ay mas lalo kang into poverty. Mas lalong hindi mo na-attract yung success na dapat para sa'yo. Now, sinabi ko nga that there is really a power in your subconscious mind when it comes to attracting wealth. But why does it seems na parang hindi nangyayari yung dapat mangyari? Number one, it's because you have mental conflict. So, ano yung tinatawag na mental conflict? Yung mental conflict, ito yung parang merong argument sa self mo. For example, sinasabi mo, I am rich, I have many money, talaga ang dami-dami kong pera, may sasakyan ako, may bahay ako, and then you wake up, you open your eyes, and then, wala naman, I'm lacking. So, the moment that you have that kind of mental conflict daw, hindi nangyayari yung mga dapat na gusto mong mangyari. So how to avoid mental conflict? All you need to do is do not use such statements. Pwedeng sabihin mo na, ngayon mas magpa-prosper ako, yung negosyo ko, dadami yung orders, yung customer ko, ganito, marami, dinadagsa yung Facebook ko. So mga like that na alam mo walang argument, parang hindi siya nagko-conflict sa mind mo kasi hindi naman lacking. Sabi nga dito sa book, mga anak, wealth is a subconscious conviction. Build into your mentality the idea of wealth. Kailangan na sa utak talaga natin, before we sleep, wealth, wealth, wealth. Kailangan mong sabihin na success, success, healthy, mayaman ako, yayaman ako, talagang payaman ako. Kayo sinasabi ng mga networking na payaman. And then you get hyped after that, and then some of them really get into successful ones dahil din talaga sa subconscious mind. Pero meron pa rin sinasabi na, nagawa ko na yan, but nothing happened. Now, I will read this. Sabi dito, you did not get results because you indulged in fear. So, kapag may takot ka, hindi mo nakukuha yung mga gusto mo. Sabi dito, or perhaps 10 minutes later, sinabi mo na, ay, parang hindi naman posible, parang hindi talaga mangyayari, so parang ganon. So, sabi nga dito, when you place a seed in the ground, you do not dig it up again later in the day. You let it take root and grow. For example, sabihin mo na, marami akong yayaman ako, marami akong pera, yan, pero baka wala namang customers na darating. So, mga ganon. So, instead daw, sabihin natin na, before you will get into that, I will not, or into negative, kailangan sabihin mo agad, I will prosper in many ways. And in all of my ways. Paprosper ako sa lahat ng gagawin ko. Meron din sinabi dito na, if you are envy, no, dun sa mga taong mas mayaman kaysa sa'yo or mas nakaka-okay sa buhay, no, if you entertain envious thoughts, it will really place you in a negative position. And if you're in a negative position, therefore, wealth flows away from you. So, yung yaman umaalis, iniiwan ka instead of going into you because your heart is full of negative emotions and that is inggit. So, instead, all you need to do is to rejoice for that person. For example, ang ganda ng house niya, next ako naman. Do that. Hindi yung, ay, sana all. Because ang sana all is may kaunting inggit. Admit it. So, for you to remember, decide to be wealthy the easy way. Wealth is a mentality. And then, sabi dito, the feeling of wealth produce wealth. Keep it at all times. And then, increase your sales by repeating this every day. My sales are improving every day. I am progressing. I am getting wealthier every day. That's how you are going to attract wealth, especially in your Mary Kay business. So, sleep and grow rich before you sleep tonight, or the moment you wake up in the morning, just tell yourself, wealth, wealth, wealth. I'm attracting wealth. That's it.